by opening your site editor. From your Weebly dashboard, choose the site you want to work on and open the editor so you can make live design and content changes. Give the editor a moment to load. Once it's open, make sure you're on the correct page where the text appears. If you're working on a multi-page site, use the Pages panel to navigate to the exact page before you edit, so you don't accidentally change content in the wrong place. Next, click the text box that contains the content you want to remove. You'll know you've selected it when you can see a typing cursor inside the box and the formatting toolbar appears. If the text is inside a column or a section, just click directly on the text itself. You don't need to move any layout elements. Take care to click inside the text, not on the surrounding section, so you're editing the content rather than the layout. Now highlight the text you want to remove. You can click and drag your mouse across the words, or use your keyboard to select the exact portion you plan to delete. If you want to remove everything in that text box, make sure the entire block is highlighted from the first character to the last. Double-clicking selects a word, while triple-clicking often selects a whole line or paragraph, which can save time. Before moving on, take a second to confirm you've selected only what you intend to remove. With the text highlighted, press the Delete key on your keyboard. The selected text will disappear immediately, leaving the text box empty or removing just the portion you selected. If you delete more than you meant to, use the Undo option to bring it back right away. It's a good idea to scan the surrounding area to ensure spacing and line breaks look the way you want after the deletion. Finally, click Publish to make the change live on your site. You'll find the Publish button in the editor's top area. Wait for the confirmation that your site has been updated, then view the page in your browser to confirm the text is gone as expected. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and effective.